This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chanihima, Jammu. Good evening all, you're watching the news now and I am Bindya with news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines for now. Prime Minister inaugurates Kushinagar International Airport, says it has fulfilled the promise made to Purvanchal. NIA gets stringent on terrorism conspiracy case, conducts raids at 11 places in Jammu and Kashmir. Encounter erupted in the Dargad area of South Kashmir's Shopian district. 2 terrorists killed so far, encounter still on. And China deployed more than 100 advanced rocket launchers on LAC amid tensions with India. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kushinagar International Airport built in Uttar Pradesh as a part of an effort to connect Buddhist pilgrimage sites around the world. Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone of a medical college and various other development projects in Kushinagar today. A group of hundreds of Buddhist monks, including CM Yogi Adityanath, Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, Governor Anandiben, Sri Lankan Prime Minister Namal Rajapaksa, also participated in this program. Kushinagar is an international Buddhist pilgrimage site where Lord Gautam Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana. This will be the 3rd international airport of Uttar Pradesh and the first flight at this airport has arrived from Colombo, Sri Lanka. NIA conducted raids at 11 places in Jammu and Kashmir in a recent terrorism conspiracy case. Searches are underway in Srinagar, Baramulla, Pulwama, Avantipora and Kulgam. The case pertains to hatching of conspiracy of undertaking violent terrorist acts by members of proscribed terrorist organizations such as JEM, LET, HM, Al-Badr and their frontal affiliates such as AIDS of JRF and PAFF. 2 terrorists have been killed so far in an ongoing encounter between terrorists and security forces in Chirbagh Dragad area of South Kashmir's Shopian district. In a joint team of police, army and CRPF launched a cordon and search operation in Chirbagh Dragad area. As a joint team of the forces approached towards the suspected spot, the hiding terrorist fired upon the forces, triggering off a gunfight. As with the reports, 2 or 3 terrorists are believed to be trapped in. One of the killed militants has been identified as Adil Ahmed Vani, active since September 2020 and was involved in killing of one poor labourer at Littar Pulwama. So far, 15 militants have been neutralized in 2 weeks. Condemning the civilian killings in Valley, the POJK refugees today staged a protest demonstration in Jammu demanding a strong probe into the incidents taking place in Valley. The protesting refugees said that having strong intelligence, such incidents should not have taken place in Jammu Kashmir and administration and security agencies must ponder on the loopholes.
और दूसरा POJK DP फ्रंट के जो DPs हैं, एक्स सर्विसमैन हैं, मैं उनको भी दरखास्त करूँगा कि अभी आप घर में बैठे क्या कर रहे हो, निकलो मैदान में, गवर्नमेंट से दरखास्त कर दो, हमारी कैंपिंग करो, वहाँ हमारा कोई अरेंजमेंट करो, हम जाएंगे, बंदूकें दो हमें, हम वहाँ पर लड़ेंगे अगर आप नहीं लड़ सकते हैं। क्यों गरीब लोगों का अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, ये हमें बर्दाश्त नहीं है। बाकी पंजाब के लोग हैं, उनका भी कुछ करो, वो भी इधर से गए हुए हैं, पंजाब में आज बैठे हुए हैं, कितने साल हो गए, 75 साल हुए उनको गए हुए। और दूसरा, जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी की रिपोर्ट लागू करो। तीसरा, वो लोग जिनके पास जमीन उनको लिए दी जाए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
In a joint initiative between Army Camp Langate, Civil Administration and District Cricket Association of Kupwara, Baramulla and Bandipur, the North Kashmir Cricket Premier League is being organized from 19th to 31st of October 2021. A total of 32 teams from the said 3 districts of North Kashmir are participating in the tournament with great zeal and enthusiasm. The tournament is being played at Shaheen Sports Field and Panditpura and Hilltop Sports Field, Udipura. Over a period of next 13 days, the tournament started with opening ceremony which was graced by the Commander Rajwar Sector.
खुशहाली हो। और जो रेडिकलाइज्ड यूथ हुआ है, चाहे किन बुनियादों पे रेडिकलाइज्ड हुआ है या इन्वॉल्व हुए ड्रग्स में, स्पेशली मैं 30 RR का बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ, मशकूर हूँ, जिनकी हमेशा कोशिश रही है कि यहाँ का यूथ को एंगेज किया जाए डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ में। तो आज का आप देख रहे हैं इतना बड़ा टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है, तो इसमें तकरीबन 100 से ज़ायद टीमें हिस्सा ले रही हैं। दिस मीन्स कि
For the last 10 days, a major operation is being conducted against terror in the forests of Poonch. Terrorists are hiding under the cover of dense forest. Now, the soldiers have cordoned the entire forest and the terrorists are being monitored from sky to the ground. Till now, 9 of our soldiers have been martyred, but till now, no trace of terrorists has been found. Contact has, however, been established with terrorists 7 to 8 times since last 10 days. Search operation is going on from the morning, but no firing from the terrorist side has taken place. The Jammu and Kashmir Handicapped Association held a peaceful protest demonstration at Srinagar against JKSSRB Social Welfare Department and GAD. The protesting specially abled people said that the department has only identified 9 abilities, leaving the rest of the 12 categories in the disability section, which is a major attempt to demoralize these candidates.
अपने पास नौकरी नहीं दे रहा है, क्योंकि जब सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट ही हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहा है तो हमें सबको ही डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहा है। हम LG साहब से गुजारिश करते हैं, चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब से गुजारिश करते हैं, इवन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया से गुजारिश करते हैं, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आर्डर्स हैं उनको वायलेट मत कीजिए। जो राइट्स ऑफ पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज एक्ट है, आप उसकी धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं। हमें उसके हिसाब से सभी 21 कैटेगरीज को नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए। अगर आप नौकरी नहीं देंगे, हम सिविल सेक्रेटरी का घेराव करेंगे, हम अपनी डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट को फिर जलाएंगे। हमारा मकसद क्या है? आप हमें एक साइड से डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट दे रहे हो और दूसरी तरफ से हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे हो। या तो कानून पे चलिए या गैर कानूनी तरीके से हमें मार ही।
Hundreds of JKSRTC retired employees today staged protest in Srinagar demanding the reimbursement of their pending salaries. The representatives of these employees said that the families of these employees have been facing problems due to no earning, leading to a survival risk for them. They alleged that the issue has several times been raised but never been taken into cognizance by the administration. They demanded an immediate redressal of all their issues, including the reimbursement of their pending salaries.
साहब के पास भी गया था, उनसे अपील की, कई बार हमने लिख के दिया गया, उन्होंने लिख के भी दे दिया है कि हम आपका पैसा 1 महीने में वागुजार करवाएंगे। अब ये लोग कहते हैं कि हमारे पास जो पैसा गवर्नमेंट वागुजार करेगा उसमें आपका नाम नहीं है, वो SRTC वालों का है। आज का जो प्रोटेस्ट है सिर्फ इसलिए चल रहा है, हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट साहब से, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब से कि इनका पैसा जो SRTC रिटायरमेंट मुलाजमीन का पैसा आज तक है, वो एक कॉलम उसमें बढ़ा दीजिए, अथॉरिटी में एक कॉलम उनको बढ़ा दीजिए कि इतना अमाउंट SRTC रिटायरमेंट वालों का।
The role of Balram Halwai in Priyanka Chopra's film The White Tiger made actor Adarsh Gaurav so famous that now Hollywood filmmakers are eyeing his work. Adarsh earned 3 major award nominations including BAFTA, AACTA and Independent Spirit Awards a few months back for his first international project, and now Adarsh has secured a spot in Scott Z. Burns' anthology series Extrapolation for his second major project, Apple TV+. The show stars Adarsh as well as big stars from the Hollywood acting fraternity, including Meryl Streep. From across the world, China has deployed more than 100 advanced rocket launchers along the borders amid ongoing talks with India. Along with this, the Chinese army has deployed 155 mm caliber PCL-181 self-propelled howitzers near the LAC. In the report of the South China Morning Post, a source related to Chinese military has told that China has deployed more than 100 advanced long-range rocket launchers on its border with India. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with TNN Web and keep reading the News Now daily and e-print paper. Jai Hind.